Ever wonder if there are any subgenres in thriller writing? Well, the answer is yes. And I'm here to tell you what they are, and I'll give you a movie or a book example. So, what is a thriller? A thriller is a fast paced novel or movie full of conflict, tension, suspense, unexpected twists, and high stakes. Some of the common elements for a thriller genre are action scenes, plot twists. It's definitely faster pace, which is the key for thriller. There's a prominent villain, and there's a ticking clock timing for the protagonist. So the first subgenre is supernatural. You can check out the Duffer Brothers Netflix series called Stranger Things if you want to find out more about it. The next subgenre is politics. You can check out Michael Dobbs' House of Cards, which is also on Netflix. Subgenre espionage. You can check out Jason Matthews' Red Sparrow, which is a novel, but it is also a movie now. Psychological is another subgenre. You can check out Stephen King's The Girl Who Loved Tom Gordon, which is a novel. Subgenre action adventure. Check out Michael C. Grumley's The Breakthrough. For the crime genre, you can check out Matthew Farrell's What Have You Done novel. Check out Jane Patterson's and Nancy Allen's novel Juror Number 3 so you can see the legal thriller subgenre. For the historical subgenre, you can check out John Ellsworth's Lies She Never Told novel. Tom Clancy is known for his military novels, so you can check out his The Hunt for Red October for his military thrillers, which was a novel and it was converted into a movie. You can check out Harlan Coben's novel The Stranger, which is the domestic subgenre for thriller. Those are just some quick examples for the subgenres. Just remember that there are often some overlapping amongst these subgenres, but whatever you settle on, just make sure you read books or scripts or watch movies in those subgenres. It'll teach you some of the common elements and it'll give you an idea on what the reader or the viewer will expect when they go to see that style of thriller. If you're going to continue with the thriller genre, check out this video here, which is what's the difference between suspense and thriller. And then if you want to see how to write a story plot arc successfully, just click on this playlist here. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.